gotta make sure that you wanna have these chips facing left and right. So whatever you do, get it in this position, okay? You wanna make sure they're left and right. So just get this installed. And there you have it, just like that, guys. If you can come over here, just roll it. You can see it. That's what you want, okay? You want to make sure that those chips are facing left and right. You don't want it to be pointing up and down. You want to have the chips facing left and right, okay? So like that, it gives you your correct pattern. So due to the other side having a bad bulb, we're actually gonna go and just install the other one in there because unfortunately on this vehicle, we can't just have the fog lights on without the low beams being on as well. So it's kind of hard to get a good projection. I tried removing the actual low beams, but without the low beams, it won't even let me trigger the fog lights. So I'm not sure if that's something with this vehicle specific or it's something that comes with vehicles from factory, but the low beams have to work so the fog lights can turn on, at least on this vehicle, okay? So I'm gonna just go install the last bulb into the other side and show you how it looks. All right, so here we go. And that's your fog lights installed. So let me turn off the light just to get a better representation. That's pretty much it for this vehicle. It's not that difficult to do. And if you guys have any questions, please let us know. We're more than happy to help you out. These were the LA H11s. And we'll catch you in the next video, guys.